How to deposit money into your XM account. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how you can easily deposit money into your XM account. So here's how you do it. Launch open your XM application on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, go ahead and tap on the wallet icon at the top right corner from your Markets tab. You'll then be able to see this page where you need to click on Deposit. Now once you're inside this Deposit Methods page, you'll be able to see available methods for your deposit. Click on the available option, which is Net Teller in my case. If you haven't verified your account, then you'll not be able to use the credit or debit card options. But if you have already done that, you'll also be able to choose the credit or debit card and follow through the instructions. Since the Net Teller is available to me, let's tap on that. And then on the next page, go ahead and enter your Net Teller account's email and deposit amount in the text boxes. Finally, click on Deposit at the bottom. Before depositing your account, make sure you've already completed your verification for your account. Once you've done with it, you'll be able to start depositing your money into your XM account quickly and easily. Once your money is deposited, you can open trades, explore charts, and try strategies. So that's how you easily learn how to deposit money into your XM account using the app with this simple beginner-friendly guide. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.